I want to show you guys how to create a program in Python that basically will help us remove a background of an image. So to do that, I'm going to just hit on new folder right here, and I'm going to just do bg remover. I want to go ahead and then open up this particular folder in my PyCharm. You can open yours in your Visual Studio Code if that's what you use, but I use PyCharm. All right, I have that opened right here. So what I want to do is, if I right click on this, I want to open a new file, and this is going to be a Python file, and I'm going to just call that app.py. So that's be open. Let me drag this a little bit over to this side. Now what I want to do before I code is I'm going to need some libraries to basically install. So to do that, I want to open up my what is it called, my terminal right here, and I'm going to just do py, and if you take a look here, you're going to see that I'm basically using Python 3.12. I don't know if that is the latest, but that's just basically what I used for now. And I'm going to just do an M flag right here, and then we can just do pip and install. And I want to basically install rmbg, which is just for the background remover. So let's install that, and I think that has been installed. Now the next thing I want to install is going to be, let me also do, this is going to be py like this, and then we can do, this is going to be 3.12, and I'm going to do this flag again, and then do pip install. And what I want to install right now is going to be it's called the on that is a on x runtime, and this is just for the AI removal of the background right here. All right, that's why I'm going to be using this particular library right here. So let's go ahead, and I want to copy this to the clipboard because the third one I want to install looks somewhat like this. All right, so that is just what it is. We have py-3.12m -m right here, and then we'll do pip install, and then we're going to install this particular package right here, onnx runtime right there. So let's press enter, and hopefully that was well installed. Now the next one, I basically would like to sort about this. I should have typed that. I thought I could just basically paste. So this is going to be 3.12, and I'm going to do -m flag again, and then we can go ahead and just do pip install, and this is going to be pillow, all right, for us to be able to bring in images. So let's go ahead and then press enter, and hopefully that was well installed. Right now what I want to do is let's try some lines of code in here. The first one we want to bring in is the first one that we kind of installed. Let's put a comment in here and just say import libraries, and then to do that we're going to just say from. So we're going to do rmbg, and what we basically want to import right here is going to be remove. So I'm going to do remove. Now the next one we want to import, I'm going to just copy this. We're going to basically get a kind of a get that from pillow, right? So right here I'm going to just say remove, import from. So this one is going to basically come from pillow. So I'm going to do pll like that. All right, I think it's just single l, and then we can just do, I want to bring in an image, so we can just do image right here, starting that with a capital letter, and then we're going to need image filter. So we should do image filter like that, and that should just be it on that line. So the next thing we want to do right now is to load an original image. And if you want to do that, I think the first thing I want to do is, if we go to the folder we just created, and I'm going to just, let's look for an image here. All right, so let me just copy this image and just put it on this place. Then we can name this anything we like. Maybe I'm going to just call it nn.png right in there. And if we go back to our coding environment, so to bring in our load an original image, let me put a comment in here and just say load an original image right here. Then to do that, let's first of all, I would like to just do a print and just say something like loading image. Just like that. Now to properly load that image that we want to basically load in here, it's simple. We can just use a method that is just called the image. We already got that brought in right here, so we can just basically do image, and I'm going to just do dot open right there, and then we can go ahead and then bring in the image that I just kind of brought in right here. So to do that, let me just copy the image name, and I can see that it .jpg. So let's put that in here. A .png. So I'm going to just do .png. Sorry about this. dot png like that, and that's just how we load the original image. Now that we have loaded another original image, the next thing that we need to do is to let AI remove the background for us. So to do that, I'm going to say let AI remove the image background. So that's just basically what we have in there. Now to let AI basically remove the image, I'm going to first of all, let's do a print. This is not compulsory, but I like doing that. And what I'm going to do right here, just in form of a loader, I'm going to just say something like removing image. Let's just do background, removing background, just like that. All right, so we have that on that place. Now, down here, what you want to do after removing that background right there is we want to look for a way to basically save the image, right? And not to save the image yet. I think this is just like a loader right here. Now we want to properly remove the image background right now. And if we want to remove that, we can use a method that is just called a remove to do that. So we can just do remove, and then we can paste this image right here. However, I think I'm going to just create a new variable right here by just calling that product, set that to be equal to this, and I want to use this. Start about this, copy that, and just put that right here, right? And let's also put this in its own variable. And to do that, I think let's call this, I want to change this right here from what it is. Let's go ahead and just say, let's let this be input image, and I want to use input image right here, and we can use that products right here. So we have that on this place. Now the last thing that we basically want to do is to basically go ahead and then try to save the image itself. So if we want to save the image, we can just put a comment here and just say save the image with no background. We can even take this further by creating a new background for it. All right. So, but what I want to do now right now is if we just do product, which is this variable up here, and then we can just do dot save and go ahead and just save that. So we can specify the name. Want to call that, let's say I'm going to just call this n2.png. If you don't want to use PNG, if it is JPG or whatever, you can do that right here. So this should be all that we need right here. So we can right click on this and then run this app. And it's loading, removing background, and when it's done, we could have added something like maybe done right here, something like this. All right, you can just say something like done. So it's, even though it's not necessary, all we need to do right now, I'm just talking about adding this so that we can know that everything worked just fine. But after adding this right here, I mean after receiving this right here, after removing background, we should know that the background must have been removed. So all we need to do is to go and check our folder. So if we go here, you see that the folder is now 2. So this is the new one we created. And if you hit on this, first of all, let's open this. This is the first one, right? This is how the background looks like. Now, if we open this, you see that this does not have a background anymore. You see it's transparent. There's no background on this. And this is just basically how we can remove a background. Now, you can pause the video and go away, but if you want to stick around to see how we can add something like a background, our own background on it, you can stick around and then watch me do that. So to do that, I just checked the time that it has taken me to record this right now, and it basically has taken me a lot of time. I think I'm going to stop the video right here. But if you're interested in, as we change a background right here, and we want to go ahead and fiddle the new one that we have created, we want to fiddle that with a new background, let's say navy blue, white, or whatever color that could actually be. You can go to the comment section below and just drop part 2, and I'm going to go ahead, or if you don't want to say part 2, you can just say something like add new background in the comment section. All right, if I see part 2 or add a new background, I'm going to just go ahead and then do the part 2 of this particular project right in here. So I'm going to stop right here. It's over 12 minutes already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye for now.